Have you ever configured Homerow mods on your keyboard and thought to yourself, man, this sucks, and you just go back to your old config? Let me show you how I fixed that. But first, let's just answer the question, what are Homerow mods? And it's pretty simple. Your modifier keys are in the home row. In my case, A, S, D, F. So if I hold one of these keys, they are a modifier. So I have here Control, Shift, Command, and this is Option, and this is Command. The exact same thing happens on the right hand, okay? On the home row. Okay, so I have here Control, Shift, Option, and Command as well. But if you have used them, you know that there is a delay that you probably hate and that you don't get used to. What am I talking about? I'm going to press Command Tab to switch to another application. So I have to hold Command for a few milliseconds and then I can switch to another app here with Tab. Notice that I'm doing this with my left hand only. Okay, so you need to wait for a delay before the key is executed as a modifier. So if you need to do stuff like Command T or Command F or stuff like that, that delay is going to hold you back a little while and it's not pleasant. So let me show you how I fix that. There is this repo that you'll be able to see here, urob cmk config, and there is an option here called Timeless Homerow Mods. So if you read through this, you'll be able to understand what we're talking about. But this is where I got my configuration from. Okay, so let me show you how Homerow mods work with this timeless feature. Okay, so I'm just going to switch here to my terminal and let's type something. Okay, I'm just going to type some text here so you can make sure that there is no issue, no delay while you're typing. Okay, you should be able to type normally. So I'm just going to type some text in here. Notice that I'm typing at a regular speed and I haven't had any issues so far. So as you're able to tell, no issues when I'm typing. Let me type some other stuff down here and there's no issue at all. Okay, so there is no delay. The delay happens when I try to access one of the modifier keys. The idea is that you use cross-handed Homerow modifiers. So I use this hand to execute the modifier key, so right hand. So if I need to do Command Tab, I should do it with this hand, Command, and Tab is right here. So let's give it a try. And you're gonna notice that it's instant. Okay, so I'm just gonna do here, Command Tab. You notice that that happened instantly. Okay, let me try it again. I'm not sure if you won't be able to see it, but let's do it again, Command Tab. You see how fast that is? Let's switch to the browser. What if we need to open a new tab with Command T? Command T. Notice that it's instant. I'm gonna do it again here. Command T, Command T. What if we are in the terminal and what if we are in NeoVim? Let me just open a file, this test markdown file. Let's unfold all the headings. What if we need to do Control U? Okay, so I'm going to do Control with my left hand and U with my right hand. Okay, so notice that it's going to be instant when I press Control U, Control U. Okay, if I need to do Control D, I'm going to use the right hand now for control. So here's Control, my pinky. D is right here, my middle finger. So Control D is instant. Control U, Control D. I don't have to wait for any delay. If you have a problem when you're trying to type, you have your Homerow mods configured incorrectly because there should be no delay when you type your regular keys. So the issue there is a skill issue pretty much. What if I still want to use the Homerow mods in the same hand? If I want to do Command Tab here with the left hand only, it is possible, but you have to wait for the delay. So if I do here Command Tab, it's not instant. Notice that if I press it fast, nothing happens. Look, you're not seeing that I'm switching tabs or applications, but if I wait for the delay, it works. But that's what I'm trying to run away from. Something that I did because the delay was unbearable is that I set this as shift, and I also set the regular shift key. So I have two shift keys, right? One here, one here. But now with this trick, with the Timeless Homerow Mods, I will remove this key and I will be able to use it for something else. So these two keys are going to become available for me to use for something else. Because with this trick, this L and S will be shift and they're instant, so I can do capital letters pretty fast. In case that you want to see the changes that I did to perform this, you can go to this repo. I'm going to leave it in the video description. If we come here to the commits, you will be able to see the changes right here. This is the commit that you're interested in. Click on it and you'll be able to find the settings here. I defined left hand keys, right hand keys, the thumbs as well. This is for the cross-handed Homerow Mods thing. Here are some comments and here are the things that I did, okay? All of this based on the guide that I showed you at the beginning of the video. So make sure you go through these settings. You'll be able to find everything there. And if you have questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments down below. So this is going to be a short video. Hope it's useful and I'll see you in the next one.